Get that one to. That's a long screw. All right. Hold them out from here. Alright. Okay, that's all that took. Okay. Hopefully it'll line right back up here. Come on. Start right away. Okay, good. Yep, started right away. I would think these screws are probably good enough. Good. Awesome. Last one. Screw lines up with the nut. Yep, sure did. All right, home remedy on that, huh? Okay, beautiful. Made it better was to have Allen head on the drill. That would have been a nice idea. Could have done that. Tighten that down first. Yeah, it's kind of. There's more here till I can get this screw here to hopefully line up right with my nut here. All right. I think so. I think we got away with it, right? Yep, sure did. Put it together. There it goes. One more time. Woo! All right. Care of that. Let's tighten this one up. All right, very nice. Okay, I had to pull this back together here. That was stretched because of that one there being so far away from the nut. Very good. That's nice and sturdy, isn't it? Tighten this up. Not gonna put the other one on here because we just need the front facing for the dogs to be able to jump in and out of here. Of course, you want it sturdy. They're gonna deal with the spring. They'll deal with the springing, but you definitely want it stiff. Oh, that's nice. Can't complain on that. Nice and solid, huh? A little more. Of course, those nuts aren't going to spin, which is good. Just gonna get this other one out. Like this one was. Just want to get it out so I can see what it was. Why it popped out. I don't know. There it is right there. And it's got threads. Of course it's got threads and they were loose. So it would just tighten up and then pull tight, and these are falling out. Oh, they were loose, weren't they? It didn't take anything for that to fall out, did it? Good idea would have been to put the screws right back in it. Yep. You got the, I know I didn't even think. You just, that's so you can rotate it to line up the screws with it. So, but there you go. Like that. Unfortunately, didn't work out that way. Okay, so there we go. Quick video on she's gonna clean it up and making a bed for the dogs. And of course, the thing about it is, if somebody decides to mark it, it's not gonna affect it any. Hooey! Hey, come on, come on, jump, come on. Yeah, what you think? Yeah. What? What do you think about that? Hey, Mama, come here. Yeah, come on. Ooh, what's that? Huh? What do you got? What do you think? Got your bed? Huh? And the sheets don't cost nothing. There you go. There you go. All right. You're just having Mommy and Daddy, huh? All right. They're the kids. How you doing, huh? What were we? So what you think, huh? Yeah, Mama's got her bed. Mama's got her own bed, even though she's got to be on the bed with us. So, anyway, it gives them option for a new bed. They don't have to lay on the floor. All right. All right. You like that, Mama? Yep, Daddy's sleeping already. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next. I'll say around the house, but this is more like puppy love. 9 is not enough. Or should I say 9 is enough. Yeah. Puppy love and 9 is enough. Nancy, get up there. Nancy, get up there. Wee wee, you can get up there. Go ahead. Get up there. TT just saying, come on, wee. Come on, wee. Come on. Mama. She's on my bed. Come on, wee wee. Atta girl. All right. Yeah. What you think? Huh? You can handle that? Lance, where are you going? Lance, you go to bed too, huh? Try it, huh? But you get on there. Get up there, bro. Come on. Get up there, Lance. Come on, Lancey. Willie getting down. Wee wee getting down. You get up. All right. Ha 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 ha.